Today we've got a GE built-in refrigerator, and the customer's complaining that the temperatures in the freezer and the fridge are warmer than they're supposed to be. I'll show you the model number and show you what we got. That's the model number. Built-in. Okay, so we'll have to take the ice bin out. Basically just slide it on out like that. Okay, now we gotta take this guy out. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and there's 2 screws here. I'm gonna take this plastic guy off. There's another screw hiding behind here for that. So take this out, take this out. Okay, now we gotta take out these 2 brackets that hold the ice bin. There's 2 screws on each side. And the fan is behind this plate right here. So we gotta take that out. What's happening is that the freezer fan basically will work, but then it will slow down. It was just running. See if we can get it to work again here. There it goes. So it'll run, but it doesn't provide any feedback to the computer as far as the speed, and then it stops. When I was putting it in test earlier and running it, it would run, but the speed would vary. It would go up and down, and it's just very intermittent. So we've got to replace this today. And all you gotta do is obviously take off the covers, which I've done. This is the freezer compartment, and there's usually a ice bin, bunch of parts, ice bin there. And that all goes in here. And then we gotta unplug this connector for power. And then we can take that strain relief off, take out these screws here, and then drop. I'm hoping we can drop the whole fan without having to take this top down, because those screws are from the top down. So that ought to be the trick. Yeah, we can take this down because I got this bracket out of the way. Basically, you just have to pull the fan blade off from the shaft and then drop this down, and we will do that. It's kind of plastic and some frozen, but you should be able to pull that. Maybe. Frozen. Try to get the ice off the shaft. So it will slide out. There we go. Okay, got that off. Ta-da. Got the new motor here. Take that string relief off and then I'll put this new motor in.